If you're experiencing login issues with Lloyds Bank, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to regain access to your online banking account. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. If there are issues, reset your router or switch to a different network. Step 2. Verify login credentials. Before starting recovery, use the SROC link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies by going to the settings menu and selecting the appropriate options. After clearing, restart your browser and try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser may not support the bank's website properly. Check for updates and install the latest version, then attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you are still unable to log in after following the previous steps, reach out to Lloyds Bank customer support. They can provide assistance and help resolve any account-related issues that may be preventing you from logging in. By following these steps, you should be able to fix your login issues with Lloyds Bank. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.